Guys, today we'll be doing a gamble. Like an OG gamble. They put an OG item in this bag, and then they get an OG item from here.
You messed it up.
But if they put some item in the bag's empty, I refresh them.
What did you say?
So, today we'll be doing that, but if the bag's empty, then I'm going to give them a
Yo guys, look,
OG
I have an
bag.
imagination. Watch. Guys, I have imagination.
Let's get in. So, he wants to gamble OG
Imagination.
items. He wants to gamble. Put an OG item in here, you get one.
Bro, the power of imagination.
You want to do it?
The power of
If you want,
imagination.
Put it in the bag.
Is this
I
a
have an OG
giveaway
item.
Is this
The
a
power
giveaway
of imagination.
Okay, I'm going to
That bag is probably full.
I'm doing giveaways.
No, bro, no stealing.
I want a giveaway.
The bag is full. The bag is full. The bag is full.
Blue
How do you know?
kind of galaxy box.
Let me check.
Because
Just
you can't
put it in
the-
again.
You
Can
can't
I have it, bro?
It's already gone.
1 minute, I'll give it back to you.
Grappler.
Okay, who egg was this? Who egg was this?
Mine.
Your
That
egg?
was mine.
Okay, here you go.
Can someone give me grappler?
Wait a minute.
Yo, why are you trying to steal my egg?
Bro, come in.
A talent show to win every galaxy item in the game.
Wait, should I do this?
Come to the computer to join a talent show to win every galaxy item in the game. Shush, bro, shush.
I'm not doing it.
Every if you win it, you get every.
Okay, guys, the gamble bag was kind of broken. I'm me
Come to
doing
the
it.
computer want to join a talent show to
So
win
he wants to
every
gamble.
galaxy
He
item
wants to
in the game.
gamble. Put an item in here. I give you something for my bag.
Okay,
Put a galaxy item in here. Put a galaxy item in here, and I give you.
That's definitely a scam.
Bro, I said I got something good from this.
No, it's not.
I'm
Put on
giving
an item to
the
show
item.
somebody earlier, but they took it.
Here.
No, it has to be galaxy. It can't be something like this. For galaxy item, that's
The
not.
Galaxy. This is Galaxy.
I got the apple.
It is, but is it one of the flying cameras? No, it's not. Okay.
Oh, you
What about this?
said any Galaxy. Bro,
This
don't
kind of
take
Galaxy.
it.
No, Bo stole it.
Green.
No. Let me just check out his name.
Dark blue. Dark blue. This is
No,
kind of galaxy.
green.
Look at the sticky things.
Everybody hate on him. There's no. Wait a minute. I think he left.
Bro, you took my item.
No, I think Green
Can
left.
I gamble still, dude?
Nah, Green left. He was too scared.
By me.
But if you see that green guy in your code and he has his exact same name,
Like my cheese.
Yo, Dark blue.
say I
This is kinda
hate
galaxy.
you to him because he's not a nice person.
This is kind of galaxy.
Okay, you want to do a trade?
I do.
Okay, drop it.
I want to gamble. I want to gamble for this.
There.
I want to gamble for this, bro. Blue.
Everybody, line up. Line up. Blue's fourth.
Dude,
Blue's
I was
fourth.
first. No, I was first, bro.
Okay, you're
I was
fourth.
first.
Okay, give me the item.
Bro, he's going
No,
to
line
take it.
up right
Somebody's going
here.
to take
No, line up right
it.
here. No,
You
everyone.
remember what Green did?
Okay, what?
Green told me.
He's a black. He's a black hat. He's black with a little the hat. I mean, this guy.
I'm a punk.
No,
People are trying to. People are
Just hate on him.
that says he
he's
can do
being
stuff.
bad boy. You want to trade?
Jacob, VR.
Yeah, I wanna.
You're getting reported.
I couldn't. But if you can we go in a private boat? These two are right here.
Yeah, sure.
And this guy took my last item.
I'll send you.
Somebody please give me
That
a
was the guy that took your item? Okay, this is
Guys, I'm a
Yeah,
modder,
man.
okay? I'm a modder. Calm down, everyone.
Yo, don't have life.
Okay.
Hey, can
Bro,
you
can
give
you
me
grab
somebody-
me?
I added you. I have to use something
Okay,
like
bro.
Can somebody
Yeah,
please
Modern,
give me
what
a
you
pickaxe?
Yo,
Doing
can
this kid.
pickaxe? Yo, can I do like I kind of want to get I'm not gonna
Okay, that's join me. Join me, Pug.
Do you have a hook shot?
Can I do
Everyone is stealing and I could not going to be joined. Pug. Wait for him. I'm going to get a galaxy. I might give him 2 galaxy things because he lost one of his galaxy things. Let me see, wait a minute. Am I offline? No.
Man,
He said.
if you scam me, bro, I'm away.
Okay, drop it.
No, don't scam.
I won't
Don't
scam
scam me.
Because
Let
you
me
lost
see what
one of
you
your
do.
galaxy art. I let you have 2. Actually, let me just pick one up. I let you have 2. Lost one when you were trying to trade with me.
I don't want this, but I don't want that, dude.
Okay, 1
I'm
minute.
gonna have something else, because I don't like that. Yeah, that's what I want. Can I trade you something else, dude? I could give. Can I trade some? Oh wait, I could give you a lot of galaxy stuff real quick. Wait, keep this real quick. Wait.
I'll just put it in the bag so it doesn't despawn.
No, because that's mine, bro.
I just wanted to make sure it didn't despawn.
It won't. It takes a while to despawn, though.
Once I had a galaxy item, I died and it despawned. So
Oh.
I was running for it and it despawned right in front of me. It's kind of disappointing. Don't want you to think I suck.
I'm just trying to organize my thing real quick before I give you something else.
I'm recording a video. I have to go. You do more. I don't want. Oh no, I almost.
Wait, dude, I'm gonna trade you like this whole backpack filled of some galaxies. I don't know how many galaxies.
You have to empty it out. I want to see what's in it, and then.
No wait. Here, take the galaxy ones. All of the galaxy ones. Here.
You want me to take those for free?
Yo, he's in! Bro, don't take! Don't take them,
please.
bro.
Don't take Yellow. Yellow,
He's recording, he's recording.
I'm recording.
He's recording, bro.
I'm recording, bro. I'm recording.
Oh my God, bro.
I could get my viewers to hate on you. I'm recording.
Okay, bro.
I put it in the bag.
Okay, you want the whole backpack?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, bro. Put some stuff, bro. Let's leave, then this guy doesn't take anything, bro.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Those are to our galaxy. Those to our galaxy, though. These are galaxy.
Thanks a lot, dude. Thanks a lot for the stuff for the giveaway.
No, you can't keep it, buddy.
I can't keep it?
No, you could. I thought you were going to give me something, bro, because I gave you more galaxies, bro.
Thanks, dude. I am going to.
Here, dude.
If you want, you can follow me around. But I'm just gonna join a new code for the.
Bro, can you just? Bro, I gave you stuff. That means you're scamming me because I just gave you 2 galaxies in that bag.
So what do you
Just 2
want? You want me to give you stuff? You want me to give you stuff back?
Yes, bro. I literally. You said you would give me stuff.
I thought you were giving it for me free, but okay. I will give you.
I gave you like 4 galaxies.
Okay, take this whole entire bag of galaxy stuff in it.
Oh, okay. Okay, bet, bro. Thanks.
Color changing. Don't drop it.
No, nothing's in that, bud.
Okay.
I know that.
If you want to like be fun, then just let me know. I'm just gonna join a new code because I want to keep on doing this. Peace.
Okay.
He wants to gamble.
Pick it up and put it down, and then I'll show you. It's a magic trick.
Why is it so laggy?
He wants to
Oh my
gamble.
gosh, Red, you're autistic. This is why you family after you're 4 years
If you
old.
give me a galaxy item, I'm gonna give you a galaxy item. So put it in here, put a galaxy item in here, OG, and then I'll give you OG a galaxy item.
Yes,
It's like a gamble.
I'm watching your little engines run. I'm saying yeah, that's fake as hell.
Oh my god, everyone accuses me of scamming. I'm just trying to do a video when I give stuff away.
Okay, wait. Okay, fine. I'll do something.
Somebody might steal it from you though. This point, I don't know. The last video was in, everyone was stealing the stuff that people were dropping, so I had to refund them all.
This?
Yeah, sure. I should drop it.
What was going on in this lobby anyway?
Okay, now you will get.
Oh, okay.
Ow.
Not
What galaxy?
Okay, does anyone else want to do a trade? Does anyone else want to do a trade?
I don't trade. Matt accepts the trade.
Okay, put something in here, and then I give you something on your bed. It's like it has to be galaxy. It has to be galaxy. I'll give you galaxy something here. OG.
Hey, hold on. It's me, Curtis. I'll trade for that.
What? Oh yeah. I'm doing a giveaway. Are you Green? You want to do it? Green.
I'll trade that.
Who got this
gamer? What are you
Now do the giveaway. Just give it to me.
He's trying to scam us.
What are you
I'm not.
No, he's not. I literally Hey,
got
don't risk
something
it.
from
Don't
him.
risk it.
I traded it.
I'll trade you white.
Told me, you don't want to risk that.
What?
You do not want to risk that. This thing sucks.
Please.
Blue.
Do not do it,
Okay,
please.
okay.
You're gonna get
Pass it.
scammed. Please.
No, he's not because I just did it with him, bro. I just did it.
With him. I just did it.
No, Diddy, no Diddy.
I just did it. Look, I got this.
That's so.
Do not accept the trade. Don't.
I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff in
Accept the
this.
trade.
You
Just
want
put
this
that back in
camera?
your stash.
Look at this
Accept it.
camera.
Accept the
Okay,
trade.
I accept the trade.
Look at this camera. Look
You're
at
gonna
this camera.
explode.
That's a mini camera. I don't do
Yeah,
cameras
keep your
because
eyeball
once
on there.
somebody scanned me with like one of those camera things, the floating ones.
Oh, here.
Like
you
they
got
made
it
it
free.
have it for free.
Guys, his backpack's exploding. His blue backpack's exploding.
I saw someone try to take it. I saw someone try to take it. Did you take it? Did you grab it? Did you grab it? So
You have it. You have it in your hand. You have it in your
I
hand.
don't have it. I don't have it.
That's yours, right?
Oh, it's right there.
Okay. Oh, you took it.
All right, join my lobby. Join my lobby. Join my lobby.
Okay, dude.
Everyone, don't accept. Okay, fine, I'll join you. I'll join you.
Is that a blue talkie?
Hey, wait, let me friend you. Let me friend you. I'll try this.
Wait.
Everybody, fund me if you want to do a trade. Fund me if you want to do a trade. Okay, you want to trade?
You don't know
Trade-
my
yeah,
name.
One place.
I'm so dead.
Green.
No.
Guys, look, I
You're
got
not doing
big
it, boy.
suitcase.
Take it. I want that, but I want
Green.
that, man. Bro, get that back.
Okay, Green, it's time for you to be hated on my computer. His name is Dad. Start hating on him. Nobody likes him. No one. Just hate on that guy. Nobody
Now
likes
what are you
him.
gonna do?
Green, now what are you gonna do? You're laughing face on YouTube. Okay, he wants to do something. I'm
What's your
actually
YouTube
making a
channel?
new code because Green's a scammer. Actually, I might have to defend the code.
Guys, look, I got
I have you guys friend. What's your YouTube channel?
Okay,
No,
accept that. and
Can I have one?
that.
What's your
Join-
YouTube channel?
It's Banana Bob 700. This is gonna be my first video ever. Okay. On Animal Company.
You can grab this one.
I might not post it in a couple of days, but who cares? I'm kind of behind on posting sometimes. But
This ain't going nowhere.
you want to do a trade? Put something Galaxy OG in here and I'll give you something from the stack. Galaxy OG.
It's fine, bro. Hold on. Wait a minute.
But if you,
Wait a minute.
you don't have to do it if you don't want
Give
to.
me that potato.
I couldn't find it. I'll give you something.
Okay.
Hot potato.
Can I do this? Can I do this?
It's gonna explode.
Can I do this?
Wait, can
I know
someone
that you
do
can, but
this?
You could have this.
Yeah, I do that. I do that. But
You would do that? You would do that?
That's not rare, dude. I have a blue mini one.
Hot potato. Hot potato. Here we go. Hot potato. Hot.
okay,
You guys really want to play hot potato?
Yeah. Hot potato. I have the hot potato. He has the hot potato.
Oh,
Or what about this?
yeah, I will. Drop it.
The air had the hot potato.
Ah, yeah.
here, you could have this for free.
it all
You can have
going
this for
down?
free.
For
You
real?
can have this for free.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, drop
Yeah.
it.
Let me put it in a bag.
Ew.
Okay.
Wait, is that all
Are we gonna join the code? Is this the code? Is this the code?
Oh,
No.
I got
hey,
it.
yeah,
I got
yeah. Okay, you got it. No, don't, be careful, be careful. It's gonna fling everywhere. Got it. I got it.
Okay, I guess I can't do that.
The machine's gonna explode. Just so you know, just better step. It exploded, bro.
Is it in my bag? I think it's in my bag.
Yeah, go check right now. Go
Okay,
check right now.
I'll check.
It's not in my bag. It's not in my bag. It's in your
It's
bag.
in my bag. It's in my bag. Okay, now do you want an OG item for it?
Oh, bro.
Do you want an OG item?
Patrick, I
Oh,
want that so bad.
thanks.
Well, next time,
You want to trade?
go.
Yeah. Here, let me show you what I have.
At the butt you go.
Okay, I
this.
take that.
Go.
Put it in.
Bro.
So what's in there? What's in there? Wait, what are you gonna give me?
I'm going to give you. This is mystery bag. I just asked somebody to throw stuff in it, and
Hey, bro.
Galaxy
Moogie,
OG stuff.
Oh, you know,
Come on,
I
Dad.
don't know about that.
Moogie,
If you don't trust me, then it's totally fine. If you don't trust me, it's totally fine.
Come over here.
Get
everyone
me RPT ammo.
So,
more trade for that.
ready?
No. Let's grab it. I'm not giving you this bag, bro. I'm not. You have to put the item in this bag, and I'll give you something from the mystery bag.
I don't know.
Okay.
Nah.
Let's trade for this.
Blue.
Wait, can I trade for that bat?
Let me put it in.
It's probably full.
Dominic, go to the salad.
No, it's not. It's not.
Blue.
Give it to me. It's passing in my hand.
Guys, connect.
I'm doing a Galaxy Snowball giveaway.
I'm sorry, Connor. I give something to you.
Snowballs in this bag.
1 minute. Wait, I'll give something to you. No. Yeah.
I'm not dropping them. God, you stupid.
This bag might be full. Let me check.
Yeah. Blue.
I'm doing a Galaxy Snowball giveaway.
Giveaway, guys.
It's not full. It's not full.
I have 11
I'm doing
Galaxy
a giveaway,
Snowball.
but it's a challenge.
I'm not gonna do the giveaway if you guys don't shut up.
Okay, are you guys ready to trade something?
I'll shut up.
I'm ready to trade something.
Okay.
There's 11 Galaxy Snowballs in this bag.
Well, I need that.
Dump it out.
I'll trade you a Galaxy gun.
Okay.
Let me trade you a Galaxy
I'm
gun.
not dumping it out for the last time.
Guys,
I will
you
trade
want them to
Galaxy
break?
gun. Galaxy gun for the Galaxy
Okay.
Snowball.
I got rid of
Who had the Galaxy
There's
Snowballs? Who had them? Who had the Galaxy Snowballs?
Me.
Okay.
in a new room. So it's kind of a handful. People think I'm lying. Guys, you put a galaxy thing in this bag, and I'll give you a galaxy thing. It's a mystery.
Can somebody please give me a
Well,
no bags, because the stuff in here are items, not bags.
Is Alright, give me 1 second, I'll do something.
what is this? Somebody please give me a hook shot.
Anyone else?
Does anybody want
Oh,
to
the skinny mini. He looks like he's a skinny mini.
I have one. Where?
Who wants to trade for us?
Drop it.
Actually, no, you're scamming people. Hell no. I'm trading.
I'm
Who
not
wants to
scared.
trade
Okay,
for
I'm
us?
doing.
give me something?
Yeah. Who wants these backpacks?
I have too much.
Put it down.
I'm doing a giveaway because I have too much.
Who wants this?
Okay.
Dumb Kid.
Who wants my galaxy please share?
My username's Dumb
I want
Kid.
your galaxy.
Me.
please.
I'm gonna give it to you. Don't
Will
worry.
you trade for it?
I just started this game today.
I can't find you.
What will you trade for it?
Wait, I want to try. Wait, what? What's happening?
Hold up, I'll talk to you in the code.
What's happening?
A heart gun.
What's happening?
Okay.
Giveaways?
He wants to gamble. You.
I do.
Put something in this bag, and I give you something from this bag.
Slow. I do.
Want to do it?
I
Want to do it?
do. I died.
Oh, it's in
I
here.
want it.
I asked one of my friends to put stuff in here, and I don't know what it is. I know it's Galaxy and OG because I looked in the bag and it was all Galaxy.
Sure, I'll have it.
Okay, put something in this bag, and I give you something. That.
No, I know there's nothing in your bag.
How do you know? You have X-ray?
Yeah.
I'll give you
Oh, kid lying. Okay, let me see his username. Kid is lying.
I'll give you this.
No, that's not worthless in this bag. I already know.
Bro, I keep forgetting that you can't.
It's Galaxy, but that's like too rare.
No, before you go. You want to trade?
Get out of there.
No. Actually, yes.
Heart gun, get
Does
out.
anyone want to do it?
Can you join me?
Oh, I guess.
How about this?
Bet.
Oh, well, that's one.
But first, tell me what's inside of there.
I do.
Oh man, how's like golden guns, galaxy stuff, and like stuff like that?
Okay, let's go to private code. Private code.
Okay, boo. I'll
Are
find
you
you.
punching Narwhal?
You walk up here. My
Okay,
bags are so heavy for this galaxy stuff.
Join code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
the guy that's
7,
trading?
8, 9.
Bro, why do you look like sort of...
He just.
I'm in.
Why is there already people in here? Why is there already people in here?
Is somebody doing giveaways?
I am.
somebody doing giveaways?
I am.
Okay, just join
Put
code
something in this
GH2.
bag. I'll give you something galaxy from this bag. I'm not lying.
I'm
joining my friend's code.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you think I'm lying,
friend's code.
if you think I'm lying, you don't have to do it. I honestly don't care.
H.
I'm not giving you the bag for free.
Here you are. Here.
HT.
Here you are. Here's the bag.
What?
Just
No. Pick up the bag. Give it back to Black. Give it back to Black, dude.
Redo it for so loud. Anybody doing a giveaway?
I'm not doing it private.
There's nothing in this bag. You were lying to me now.
Anybody doing a giveaway?
No, I was trying to see if people do it. I was trying to see if people stole it, by the way, so that's why I
Does
dropped it
anyone want a
instantly.
giveaway? Just put something in here and then I give you something from here. Okay, you just put something in here, I give you something from here. It has to be Galaxy.
You have tip out one thing in there because you have a bunch of sticks in there. I bet you.
Golden.
A bunch of
PvP battles.
Fine. I
bet you-
have too much Galaxy stuff to prove to you guys.
Sunscreen.
Somebody can take that. Actually, that isn't that.
That's a revolver.
There's a green one. I have a bunch of them.
That's revolvers are kind of buns.
Yeah, they are.
I
I'm
don't
going
want
to
it,
take
bro.
all of them
Throw
out
it
of my
away.
bag. I only have. How much revolvers
Hey,
is my friend
Sunbird.
put in my bag?
Hey,
I have been seeing
Can you help me with
revolvers.
Can you just do this? Can you just do that? Just do that.
Okay,
and then
that's
drop
all the revolvers. Actually. That's all the revolvers. I just got rid of all.
No. Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay, I'm enjoying new code because I'm using some 9.
No. Just leave it like that. Don't touch it.
Wait, which one?
Okay, I wanna go to mine. I wanna go mine with you.
Don't touch that.
I'm not
No
mining.
code is.
I'm a kid before I was mining. Does anyone want to trade? Put something in this bag. I'll give you
I'll
something
trade.
from this. It has to be
trade.
Galaxy. It has to be Galaxy OG.
where
Put it in this
is
bag and dump something out of this bag.
Guys,
Okay.
I have a golden
Okay,
gun.
I'll
I have a
trade.
golden gun.
Y'all trade.
I have a golden gun.
There's a Galaxy going
I'll
back.
trade.
Maybe.
Let me show you.
Put something in here and I'll give you something from here.
I have a
Maybe
golden
my
gun. What do you just say to me? What do you just say to me? What do
Put
you
something in here.
I'll shoot you.
Drop something from here.
Pinky,
I have
you
ammo there.
You think it's not? Let me show you something else.
Come here. I got something. Come here. I got something for you.
Does anybody want to go to Planetarium?
What's planetarium?
I'm not going out of safe zone. You think I'm done?
Pink, look.
Think I'm done?
That was mine.
Pink, look.
Nah, bro.
Look, pink.
Nah, bro. Imagine saying bro. You're so fucking retarded.
Nah, bro. I have to send to you.
What?
Hey guys, is there PvP on this one?
Yup.
Kind of mod it.
I'm gonna
Cause
join a new
Zach,
code because everyone sees
And
me.
anybody.
I gotta end the video here. Peace.